Watch. The world, it's not a plan. Franchise you choosing one. 10-star general. I'm come to represent the dancehall to the fullest. Because I see enough boy I don't come on the internet with nothing but hypocritical critics just to get viewers and fidelity off of themselves. And them not chat nothing real about dancehall. Anything hypocritical of that them run with. And everything that's bad happen, that's what them go with. You know what I mean? None of them never find dancehall for really. Let the people them know the fullness of all going on. But right now, we see a dancehall right now. Jackie call up fantan mojah. Upon them thing, you know, see nobody come and talk nothing about it, right? Alright. You see on the internet, matterhon come a big up bounty killer, and I make the world know say if a performance a killer get the best performance in dancehall night, you know what I mean? But at time we take the show and nobody no run with that. But make a deal here bounty killer this matterhon or matterhon and foot hype this bounty killer. You see it all over social media. Yo, mom, now get off enough for one boy off of social media with enough of them hypocritical critics now. You want to run with it now. You don't run with nothing with it now. Everything bad you don't run with it. You know what you do with it now run with it. Yo, enough of due respect when you respect. There's one idea there, you know what I mean? And the same matterhon and killer thing when you come out of it. One whole decade. What are togetherness them have and share and work together. You hear that? And the two of them make them money by using them mouth. So Lord, them make them deal it. Because right now, if anything serious to go on with bounty killer, matterhon probably be the first man to jump up and a lick out. Him and foot hike, all this is the difference for them. Are we, whether on social media, post up page, and I go on with page, it's up to we to talk shit, to bring the man them together and make the man them come together and start put our back some work together and lift up the thing on a different level. And that's most of the youth them can see when animosity build and that way how to deal with it. It's not like we can't have problems because we are all people and none are not perfect. But when we have problems, we know how to work it out in a different manner, a more appropriate manner. Because if a man a big man right now, look at things there again, you know what I mean? All who look at them and force right themselves for big. And all the parents, all the city leaders, them force right. All them shit down and all that. So I say, yo, I respect and care for call up fantan mojah. I'm sure the world so well then. Like true man Rasta people. And I love that. You see me? I'm a real killer for call up massacre for them thing. Because I not tell no lie. Me kind of rascal shadowed by the beauty of how killer call up massacre for them thing. I never watch the performance of Blood God Killer. And when I go back and watch the performance on 5 times, I watched it yesterday before Jamaica match start. I say, Bumbo Clad. I saw Bumbo Clad Killer wicked. I saw Killer go on. You see that thing there when my father sing about beat and teach and that Killer do Blood Clad yesterday. That Killer do a sunfest. Beat and teach them ras. Him talk about the government. Him talk about the Blood Clad people. And him talk about the dancehall fans them and where them are encouraging a dancehall. You know what I mean? So it was a beat and teach performance right me give me. This is what I deal with. I love it for the fuck. This is what I say. Yeah man. And the fact that him call up massacre and make massacre come doing thing without no rush. Pan him thing a massacre deal with them thing. And everything was nice and tremendous, you know what I mean? I love the show that, but that video have some pussy what I love, run with everything when them see and everything when them hear. Yo, if they can't run with the bad thing, run with the good thing. You know what I mean? No talk about establishment of pure. Bring up fantan mojah, but the two of them get together and show us I love them and deal with. Nobody not talk about that. But the whole honor spread, I run with it for us. Jackie about knife man him, right? Nobody not come and talk about Tony Matterhon and big up Bounty Killer. Yes, on social network. None of them run with that. But we run with Matterhon and footer hype this Bounty Killer or Bounty Killer this footer hype and Matterhon, right? We not run with that. It's not for them to come off of the internet with a hypocritical shit. You hear that? So once again, I say my big respect for Jack here. I love that. Big respect, Killer. I love that. You hear that? I love that. For real, man. And big up Matterhon. This is so well then. After all we go on, what they have on the network, they still come and say the performance about the Killer, no hide the truth. You know what I mean? And I don't want to like your friend you beg magic. But the rightful thing for you do, you know what I mean? Because what you want to Caesar, you want to Caesar, you see what I'm saying? And would I love if someday you and Bounty Killer can come together and forget all of them shit and move on, you know what I mean? Because we're a man, you know, you see what I'm saying? I want to do that for the benefit of dancehall and not only for the benefit of dancehall, for the benefit of ourselves too, you know what I mean? Because you're a monster selector and Killer monster artist. So I don't want to look a pussy all run on social media and chat out their mouth when them say two monster deal. Make them deal with them one another, but I want to squash that shit there. I'm going to love when they come together and start work together again. I'm going to love that. So right now, my children are coming up, as we say, you know. As my children are zooming and upon the job me I go, you don't know what I say. So all of my viewers and all of my fans don't know the world is not a plan. A franchise is choosing on the 10-star general. And you don't know, we don't licky like some boy come and post up anything. Big up yourself, Matterhon, you're a monster selector. Big up yourself, Brad McPrice, you're a 5-star general. And big up yourself, Jack here. You're a real stop it, man. Watch.